Hey Venom fans, it's Jeff and I am out here in this beautiful Pacific Northwest weather to talk to you about an exciting product that Venom's bringing to market, the Venom Pro Quad Micro 1S charger with LiPo and LIHV functionality. Let's go check it out. Okay, let's jump into the unboxing. Again, this is the Venom Pro Quad Micro 1S charger with LiPo and LIHV charging capabilities. You have 4 independent charge circuits. You have easy-to-read LCD display and LED charge status indicator lights. Runs on AC 110 or 240 input, DC 9 to 12 volt input, supports 3.7 volt LiPo as well as 3.8 LIHV cell types, and has short circuit, overcurrent, and reverse polarity protection. So when we open the box here, you've got your AC power cable, your DC power cable, the instruction manual, and of course the charger itself. Well, we know what all this stuff is. So let's talk about the charger here for a moment. So as you can see on the charger, you've got 4 different connections for each channel. So you've got a JST, a Molex, an MCPX, and an MCX. Note that on the Molex we do indicate what is the negative and positive there because not all batteries are the same. Some models reverse the polarity, so it'll allow you to analyze that. Each channel has its own switch for LiPo or LIHV charging functions. You can't accidentally mess that up. You have to physically move the switch to get the channel to change. All right, so let's take a look at the charger itself for a minute. So going around the charger, you've got your AC power input, again, anywhere between 100 volt and 240 volt AC. You've got a really cool Venom cutout here that's got LED lighting behind it. You have your DC input here, anywhere between 9 and 12 volt, and you've got your cooling fan output on the back. So here's your description tag. Now up front on the main screen here, or the main surface, you've got 4 different channels. Each channel has a switch to switch between LiPo and LIHV, and then each channel also has 4 independent and different connection types. You've got JST, Molex, MCPX, MCX, and again, for each channel you've got an LED light indicator. Here's your LCD display, your channel switch button, decrease and increase buttons, as well as your start and stop. Let's plug this in and we'll go over the functionality. Okay, so we've zoomed into the front face of the charger and we're going to go over the basics of how this charger works and how you put it through its paces. So again, you've got multiple charging options for each channel. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the Venom 250 milliamp 3.7 volt 45C 1S pack. And what we're going to do is we're going to plug that directly into the MCX charge port. Now you'll notice that charge port number 1 now registers 3.86 volt. That shows that it's registering the battery properly and showing what you what the battery's current voltage is. To get that battery started, we're going to press the channel button 1 time. We see that the channel is flashing and it's set at currently 0.1 amp. Well, this is a 250 milliamp pack, so we can very easily and safely go up to 0.3 amp. So we're going to press the channel button, have that active, and increase to 0.3 amp, and press and hold the start button. You get 4 tones, a high, low tone that says that the charge has started, and the indicator light goes and remains solid. You'll see that it takes a few moments for the charge voltage to register, but now it shows that the voltage is increasing and it's charging at 0.3 amp. So now we're going to go ahead and plug into channel number 4, just so that we can jump over to this far one. So now we've got a battery plugged into channel number 4, and we see that the voltage shows up at 3.79. We're going to press the channel button until we get over to channel 4. We see that the light is flashing. We're set to LiPo. It says 0.1. We're going to bump that up to 0.3. Press and hold a start button. and charging begins. So that's the walkthrough on how to use the Venom Pro Quad Micro 1S LiPo and LIHV charger. If you guys have any questions, please send them on over to the website. We really look forward to getting your feedback on this charger, as we think it really hits the sweet spot for our micro quad and micro airplane pilots.